In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change section headers in Microsoft Word. If you're working with a document that has multiple sections, you may want each section to have a different header. Microsoft Word allows you to change section headers by using section breaks and the link to previous option. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to change the section headers. Place your cursor at the beginning of the section where you want the new header to start. Next, go to the Layout tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Look for Breaks and click it. Under Section Breaks, choose the appropriate option, such as Next Page. This creates a new section in your document. Once the section break has been added, go to the section where you want to change the header. Double-click the top area of the page to open the header. The header and footer options will now appear at the top of the Word window. By default, the new section may be linked to the previous section. Look for the Link to Previous option and click it to turn it off. This is an important step because it allows you to edit the header in the current section without changing the header in the previous section. Now, select the existing header text and replace it with the new text you want to use for this section. You can also format the new header using the options in the Home tab. You can change the font, size, alignment, and other formatting to match the style you want. If you want to remove the header from the current section, select the existing header content and delete it after turning off Link to Previous. You can repeat this process for additional sections in your document. Each time you create a new section, make sure you turn off Link to Previous before changing the header if you want that section to have a different header. If you want a section to use the same header as the previous section, leave Link to Previous turned on. After making your changes, click Close Header and Footer, or double-click anywhere in the main document area to return to your document. Scroll through the document and check each section to make sure the headers are appearing correctly. Keep in mind that section breaks control the structure of the document, while the Link to Previous setting controls whether headers and footers are connected between sections. And that's how you can change section headers in Microsoft Word. By using section breaks and turning off Link to Previous, you can give different sections of the same document their own headers. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,